You know, his real name is Bailey. Ain't that right, boss dog? That's right.
I love when he calls me boss dog.
The only thing I can't figure is how boss dog can be such a little guy.
Wait, so my dog is actually your dog?
He's on permanent loan to you.
Bailey was Ethan's dog when he was a kid. And he always said that Bailey came back as a different dog and brought us back together after many years apart. And now he thinks that Max is Bailey. And Bailey's brought you to us.
She thinks I lost my marbles.
Yeah, you do.
I know what I'm talking about on this one.
Sure.
You don't believe me either, CJ, do you? There's a lot you don't know about that dog. I could show you. Come on, Bailey.
Coming.
Okay.
It's been a while since I've done this. I used to do it standing up. Are you... Okay, you ready?
Let's do it, just like we used to.
Huh? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
When did this thing get so big?
Pretty great, right? only now that the football weighs more than he does.
Wait. How did...
I don't know how or what. When Bailey died, I told him to take care of you, to protect you, and I believe that's what he did. Ain't that right, boss dog? It's kind of weird when you finally get it, right?